Hey, everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So, I headed into Walgreens this week, and let me tell you, Walgreens is not going to disappoint you. There are so many freebies and moneymakers that are going to be happening. So, everything you see in the cart here retails for about $43, but no worries because I got everything in here completely free and made $3.23. Let me show you how I did it. Let's go. We're going to start out this shopping trip grabbing some free oral care with the Crest. So grab one of the Crest toothpaste that are regularly priced $3.79 but are on sale this week for $3 each. And then you're also going to go over and grab an Oral-B toothbrush that's regularly priced $4.49 but is going to be on sale for $3 as well. There are two different digital coupons you're going to use, a 2 off one for the toothpaste and a dollar off one digital coupon for the toothbrush. So out of pocket, you're going to pay just $3. But no worries, you're going to get a $3 register reward back, making both of these completely free. We're going to stay in the oral care aisle and grab a couple of Colgate deals. First, we're going to start out with the Colgate Optic White toothpaste that's regularly priced $4.99 and on sale for $4. Then we're going to go over and grab one of the Colgate Optic White mouthwashes that's regularly priced $5.99 but also on sale for just $4. Now, you can choose to switch out the mouthwash for one of these toothbrushes that's regularly priced $5.99 but on sale for $4. We have a coupon for 5 off 2 on the Colgate products. So you're going to pay just $3 after you use that digital coupon, and you're going to get a $3 register reward, which makes both of these items completely free. We're going to move on over into the hair care aisle where we're going to find these Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioners. Now, these are regularly priced $5.49 per bottle, but they're on sale this week, 2 for $8 or $4 each. Grab two of them. I suggest one shampoo and one conditioner, but you do what you want to do. And we're going to use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure that is clipped. You will pay $4 out of pocket, but you're going to get a $4 register reward back, which makes both of these completely free. So we're just going to add it into our free list. Now, don't worry that if you don't want to do the Garnier Fructis, you can do a very similar deal with the whole blends. The only difference is there is a 3 off 2 digital coupon to pair with this deal, making it a dollar for 2 or 50 cents each. I am so excited about this next deal as it is something that I actually really need. The Softsoap liquid hand soap refills that are regularly priced $6.99 are on sale for $5.99 each this week. Well, grab two of them. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So your out of pocket is $7.98, but you are going to get a $2 register reward back when you purchase two of them, making the final cost $5.98 total or $2.99 each. Now, if you don't want to do the liquid hand soap, you can do the same exact deal with the soft soap body wash. That's the exact same deal, just a different coupon. Or you can even do the Irish Spring, either the body wash or the bar soap, whichever you choose. I needed to grab one more deal to hit my spend booster of spend $35, get $6 in Walgreens cash that I had. So I decided to throw in this amazing deal on Walgreens storage bags. They're normally priced at $3.49, but they're actually on sale this week for $2.79 each. Plus, we have a deal of buy one, get two free. So grab 3 of them and you're going to pay total $2.79 or just 93 cents per box. This is an amazing deal and a great time to stock up. The last couple of weeks, I have been doing deals in order to get this save $5 when you spend $5 or more on feminine care products. Well, I needed to get that spent because it was expiring the next day. So I decided to grab 2 of these ultra thin Walgreens pads. They're normally priced $3.29, but they're on sale this week for 2 for 6. So I'm grabbing 2 of them, use that $5 and pay just $1 out of pocket or 50 cents each. Let's talk final cost at this Walgreens haul that runs from June 9th through June 15th. Our total here is $42.77 for everything that you see in the cart. Now, I used a 6 back on $30 digital booster. I also used a 7 back on $35 paper booster. There was $16 in manufacturer coupons and a $5 store coupon I showed you for the feminine care. So out of pocket would be $21.77. Now I actually got mine $6 lower because I had 2 3 off 1 register rewards that I used to lower that out of pocket, but I'm not going to include those in this particular total. $13 in Walgreens cash was issued between the 2 boosters, both the digital and the paper. I got $4 register reward for the Garnier, a $3 register reward for the Crest, $3 register reward for the Colgate, and a $2 register reward for the Softsoap. So after everything is said and done, everything you see in this cart ends up being completely free and actually a $3.23 moneymaker. Now, besides getting everything here, I also received a $5 in Walgreens cash back when you spend 20 Catalina that I can use for the next shopping trip, as well as a 20% off of $30 or more spent in a basket. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not real sure how I want to use that 20% off of $30. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, as I feel like I'm still learning Walgreens in order to do something as tricky as that. I would love to get some feedback from all of you experienced Walgreens shoppers. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to watch Walgreens hauls that I do, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deals are, if you're going to do any of these deals, or if you've got other ones in mind from the store that you're going to do. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I'll be back with you with more deals later. Bye, guys.